Step 1. Take inventory of all components and accessories. Step 2. Install the braked Suave casters and tighten them. Align the holes and use the installation tool to tighten the screws. Install the wheel with the brake mechanism on the right side. Align the holes and tighten the screws to secure the wheel. Step 3. Align with the hole positions. Align the holes and install the wheels. Tighten the screws using the installation tool. Align the holes and install the wheels. Tighten the screws using the installation tool. Step 4. Insert the supporting foot into the tube. Distinguish the direction of hole positions and the direction of the wheel. Align with the hole and insert a thicker pin to secure it. Step 5. Install the left and right handrails. Note that the red clip faces outward. Align with the hole and insert a thinner pin to secure it. Step 6. Align the holes and insert the backrest for installation. Step 7. Install the cushion. Install with the softer side of the cushion facing up. Fasten all the buckles in order to secure them. Adjustable opening and closing display. Rotary release emergency switch. Align the hole and insert the link remote control. Lifting function demonstration. Thank you for watching.